Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Murano key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this simple task even easier. This entire process is designed to be quick and straightforward, ensuring you can get your key fob working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started right away. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight, careful twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once it's slightly open, you can carefully pull the halves apart. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should pop out easily. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely sealed. Test your key fob immediately to ensure it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it works, you're all set. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.